Speaker, honorable members of the State Legislature, it is a great privilege and honor for me to address this joint session of both the houses of Andhra Pradesh State Legislature on the occasion of the budget session 2021-22. The brevity of this session is dictated by ferocious second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic engulfing the entire country. On 10th February, at the start of the second wave, India confirmed 11,000 cases and an average of 22,000 cases in the next 50 days, which rose sharply to a daily average of 89,800 in the next 10 days. Subsequently, these are the crushed and unforeseen 4 lakh per day mark. 40% of India's total COVID deaths have occurred during the relentless second wave. Even as we face these grave circumstances, we have to respect the sanctity of the legislative process, and it is in this context that the conduct of this session of the legislature is necessary, nay, mandatory. That being said, we have to be cognizant that the state legislature itself constitutes the gathering of the very people who are involved in combating the COVID pandemic, and conduct of the session requires undevoted time and attention of the secretaries, HODs, and other staff who are involved in the relentless effort. In order to strike a fine balance between the constitutional obligations and the safety of the people at large, and under unavoidable circumstances, it becomes necessary to convene this very short budget session for FY 2021-22. COVID-19 pandemic handling the crisis with a vision. As you all know, the COVID-19 pandemic is unprecedented in the scale and severity.